Welcome back to the channel. Santa has been. The block is back from machining. I'll spin you around, we'll have a closer look at it. So that's number 1 cylinder. It wasn't sleeved, it was bored. So they bored it 0.5 oversize, and we've got an oversized piston to go in there. They've honed all the other bores out, so they're all good. Same on this side. All honed out, ready to go. Crankshaft has been polished and checked over, and it's perfectly good. We have new ends and new main bearings, sump gasket set, head bolts, rear main oil seal, a new oil pump. That is a head set, rocker cover gaskets, valve stem seals, a pair of head gaskets, a new piston, and a set of rings for the other 5 pistons. You don't get a lot for just shy of 1100 quid, do you? And that is what that lot has cost. 1093 quid to have the block machined and all those parts supplied. So there we go, just a quick teaser for you. I'll be making a start on this probably in the week this week, or Saturday, depending on what I'm up to. So join me then and the rebuild will begin. See you then.